Hey guys, we're just kind of looking at the babies as they're napping right now. This is going to be a quick little tidbit video. We haven't done one in a while, so I figured I'd kind of update you guys a bit. We did have to, let me back up and show you. We did have to move the nursery into the bedroom. Sure.
Because there's a Hurricane Irma coming.
Yeah, Hurricane Irma is coming, and it's a pretty big hurricane. Yeah, you see a lot of stuff kind of piled up. We had to combine a couple rooms together to get this going. So we have a really big hurricane coming, Category 5, the biggest one on record. So because the garage sits lower than the house, slightly, not too much, but slightly, I didn't want any of the nursery stuff to get ruined, so we basically we just kind of shoved it all in here, and both the kids are in one room. This is Samantha, aka Sammy. This is, I don't know if you guys remember, we showed a video with Molly, right? We had a Tibby kit and we named her Molly. And for the longest time, we kind of just stuck her in a closet. Then we sold her, gave her away, and then we got her back. And I completely redid her and gave her a wig. And she is now Samantha. So this is Caitlin's toddler. Oh, we didn't even show them your nursery.
Hold on, not.
All right. So, hi, Angel. Hi. This is kind of where Angel sits when I'm in here.
Does she look cute? Does she look cute?
I have one green eye and one blue eye. Green, blue. Yes, she's cute. Alright, so.
I have my own nursery.
Yeah, I'll show that one in a second. So, a little bit of an update. This right here is my cat baby. She's still sleeping. This one is Rosie. She is my friend's daughter. And this one right here is, I'm going to show you her whole outfit. It's super cute. Right there. And this one is Edith.
I had this outfit when I was a toddler.
We have Emma. And she likes her little Ariel. And this is Austin. I actually made that one. Oh, I also, I made that one too. But yeah, this outfit she was wearing, so you can see my purple pajamas. This outfit is actually, Caitlin's.
My outfit.
When she was a baby, or kid. So, we can show them your nursery real quick. But I want to get back and kind of show them some of our new stuff. So.
Casey had to someone go.
Casey, on his tablet, you're good, buddy. Okay, and we got our babies. So this is I was going to try it sideways. She's got this round crib. This is the swing that used to be in the nursery, but I gave it to her.
On my birthday?
Yeah. She got a bunch of clothes in here. She's got a new chair for her toddler that she begged for. You have Elizabeth over here sleeping. And we put a crap load of blankets in here because you should see our blankets. Kind of a lot. You say we got a lot of blankets? No. So yeah. No, we'll just, these are toddler clothes. We'll make a different video we'll label it your nursery stuff, and we'll actually kind of go through the nursery stuff. Say hi, animals. Okay. I put her up here for now. Might have to take her down. She's glass, so I don't want her to break too much. Okay. So, I am going to get a toddler, guys. Yeah, totally getting a toddler. And, it's on back order, though. So, it is an Ashton Drake. So, it's not technically a real Reborn. But, I have an Ashton Drake, so I love them. Anyways, there's like a whole long story with that one. So, yeah, I'm getting a toddler. So, I started collecting and buying a bunch of toddler stuff because you know I don't kind of do things the small way, right? Mm-hmm. We kind of go big and out. So we got a crap load. So like we have tops, bottoms, dresses, pajamas, headbands, socks, and shoes, and jackets, a costume that might be given to Sammy. Oh, swim stuff. So we're gonna go through those. We got some time. You want to go through them? Some of them. Okay. We want to start with. We'll go with this one because it's small. So.
I'll hold it.
So I got these socks. Okay. Here's
another.
6 of them. Look at these colors. I got these for like $4 at Target on sale. And then, where did we get these?
Oh, from that bucket box.
Oh, that's right. We got a box of stuff from this lady. And there's all these different shoes in there. Now, I don't know if these are going to fit her. If not,
we go to Sammy.
Yeah. But we'll see if they can fit.
This is funny.
And I got this hat. It was super adorable. It's like so ugly, it's cute. So yeah, I got that. And I got this on sale too. I paid like what was it? $2.98. I'm gonna focus. Yeah, $2.98. And it's a headband. So adorable. I love it. And this came in that box too, right?
Yeah.
It's a headband. Look how pretty it is.
You have to share that?
No. We'll see. And I think that's all in this drawer.
Yeah.
Because I gave you the other headband, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Huh? Here, can she move?
What's wrong with her sitting there?
She's in the way of where the bucket needs to go. Why don't you put her... They're sleeping. And who's sleeping? There you go. She can go through the bucket with us.
Can she pick up the first thing?
Not really. I'm just kind of doing... I put this in here. Because I know it's like a shirt / sweater / dress type thing. So it's just in here. I have a couple diapers. So the dress. This. I got this from 2 different people. So like. Hold that. So I got this part from one lady. And I got the hat part from a different lady. Totally different areas. But they went together and it's so perfect. But that actually, you'll have to look at this video. Hold it up. That actually looks really super cute on her. You're going to have to see it, like, in the video. I like that.
It's supposed to have wings, but it didn't come with it.
Yeah, the wings didn't come with it. But we have bathing suits. Like, I put this together. And then we have like a one piece. And then this thing. It's really cute. And some jackets and... Ooh, I like this one. It's a vest. It's really soft. I like that windbreaker material. I got a bathing suit. Oh, and this jacket. Okay. Show it all back in there. Almost dropped the shelf, guys. Sorry. Bear with me for a second.
Baby food. Baby food. Baby food. Ooh. Pick up the first one. She calls this one.
Thanks, Sammy. I got you one, right?
Yeah, and Nursery.
So I got you and me and Rosie one of these, since they're all best friends. So I got that. While we were... Yeah, but we didn't get that one when we got these ones. I'm just going to show these ones first. We will. I also got that one. Did you get one like this?
Yeah.
So Kaylin got one.
Yes, I got that one.
I got this one too. I wish there was a third one. I totally would have picked up a third one. But it's the Lion Guard.
That's the Lion King.
It's like a spin-off show of the Lion King. It's yeah, I don't know. And there's this one.
I got one of those.
Yeah, we got one for Rosie too. And she didn't want to wear hers today, even though I think she should. Now these ones, there's only one of, so of course, you know, I got them. These are cute. I had to get this one. Like, I don't even know who these people are.
Shimmer and Shine.
Oh, well. I just got it because it's purple. Her face is like, really, Mom? And this one. This one is going to be really big.
Yeah, I didn't get
It's going to have to be like a dress on her. I'll have to get like tights. That's the only thing I think of. And it's like frou-frou, so it could be kind of dressy.
She likes Belle.
Yeah. But look at this, guys. It's a 14. Mind you, she wears like 12 months to 24 months. So like, this is going to be like really, really big. But it's so adorable. And it would make a really cute dress, I think. Right? I got that at Target the other day. Oh, one of the things I got at Target, we only paid like, what, $1.35 for those? And this one? Oh, this one. The flamingo. We have pants that go with this one.
Yeah, we do. I think it's the shark one.
Yeah, go ahead.
Yeah, it's a shark one. Now,
Okay.
This one's funny, but also mean at the same time. Okay, so this is a shark eating Nemo and Dory.
Nemo and Dory are running from the shark. I'm assuming it's probably like Bruce. But it was so funny.
It's mean too.
They'll escape. They'll escape. There's so many in here, guys. Like, we really did cram a whole bunch in here.
We'll go through it later.
Yeah, I'll have to pull it all out and show it to you guys. I mean, it's crazy. It really is. But I'm going to have to end this video for now. We'll do another video soon. I promise. We have a hurricane coming, so it's not like, you know, I'm going anywhere or doing anything. So, alright.
Oh, wait. Did you end it?
No, go ahead.
Subscribe, give a like, and comment down below. And like this video. I already said that. Turn on notifications, too.
Yeah, so we don't do a whole lot, but we will try to get back into them and, you know. Alright, guys. Talk to you later.
Bye.
Bye.